Hey guys, welcome back. So Samsung is making some big changes to the next gen foldable devices where the Z Fold 4 will get a new form factor which most of the people would like. We also got some updates regarding the battery size, and Samsung will introduce a new launch prices with both the Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4. Now before we jump into the video, I wanna say that if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe to get more daily updates and give a like if you enjoy watching this video. So starting off with some physical changes, the Z Fold 4 will get close to squarish form factor which most of the people wanted from a long time. We all know that this change will make the outer screen more wider and it will be more usable with the S Pen. Many users were not happy with the Z Fold 3's outer screen. The form factor was not very comfortable while using, but now this problem will also solve. Ice Universe also says that Samsung is not only reducing the size but it is also reducing the weight, and even the bezels will be narrowed this time in comparison to its predecessor. Moving on, we got some details about the battery capacity of the smartphone, where according to a Twitter user, the Z Fold 4 will have same 4400 mAh dual cell battery as we have on the current Fold 3, but due to smaller form factor and power efficient Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus CPU, the Z Fold 4 might give better battery backup. So it is a good thing that Samsung didn't reduce the size of the battery because of the smaller form factor. Now talking about the camera setup, last week we heard that Samsung will use 108 megapixel primary sensor for the Z Fold 4, and now latest information says that 12 megapixel ultra wide sensor will also join the flagship 108 megapixel sensor, which is the same as we have on the S22 Ultra right now. Also, the last sensor will be a 10 megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom, and this is the sensor which is used in the current non-Ultra S22 models. So it's good to see that Samsung is feeling the heat from other foldable smartphone manufacturers and making some big changes to the Z Fold series. Now jumping on to the best update, which is the price details. Looks like this time we may see a lower launch prices with the Z Fold 4, where according to a Twitter user, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will start from $1,699 US, means $100 cheaper than the previous device, and I know this is a great news for many people who are waiting for this smartphone from a long time. Anyways, do let me know your thoughts in the comment section regarding these changes for the Z Fold 4. If you enjoy watching this video, then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel as well. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace out.